A Gecko product is always much more than the sum of its parts. Behind everything Gecko makes are dedicated employees who share the same values, vision, and ambition to further our growth as the world's leading manufacturer of value-added electronic components for the hot tub industry. Thanks to our facilities around the globe, our passion transcends culture and positions us as a solid business partner that's ready for anything. Innovation is part of Gecko's DNA. Our expertise gives us a competitive edge, allowing us to keep on top of the latest trends and develop forward-looking products. From design to execution, nothing is left to chance in our ongoing quest for excellence. We do things our way, developing revolutionary products that allow our clients to differentiate themselves from the competition. Precision and attention to detail are ingrained in our methodology and our proven production methods. While spa manufacturers are our top priority, we always keep the final user experience in mind. From integration to after-sales experience, satisfaction is our #1 objective. What makes the difference and shapes our company culture is the exceptional quality of our relationships. Every day, we evolve in a stimulating technological environment where every individual has a chance to shine while enjoying the pleasure and pride of being part of the Gecko team. At Gecko, we believe success comes from teamwork, respect, and taking pride in a job well done. Our vision and journey are all about being a committed partner and responsible employer. This is our story, and the best stories often start with a simple wish: to have a positive impact and to make a difference. What will your story be with us?